Hi and welcome to another tutorial in Python for Intermediate series. In case you haven't watched the last tutorial, please watch it and then continue watching. Alright, now let's jump in and get started. In this tutorial, I am going to talk to you guys about two-dimensional lists in Python. Two-dimensional lists are extremely powerful and they have a lot of applications in data science and machine learning. Here is an example. In math, we have a concept called the matrix, which is a rectangular array of numbers. Let me show you. So we have, inside the square brackets, we type 1, 2, 3, and in the next line 4, 5, 6. So we have a rectangular array of numbers. So we have rows and columns. So this is a 2 by 3 matrix in math. We can model this in Python using a two-dimensional list. A two-dimensional list is a list where each item in that list is another list. So we can define a list called companies. Inside this, we'll be having three more lists. So in the first list, we have Netflix, YouTube, and Facebook. In the second list, we have Google, Instagram, and Amazon. In the third list, we have Dropbox, Spotify, and Reddit. So as you can see, in a two-dimensional list, each item in our outer list is another list. So how do we access one here? We start with our list and then we add square brackets, companies of 1. This expression returns the inner list. So in this list, let's say we want to access the second item. So companies of 1 and again we add the square brackets and type 1. So if we print this on the terminal, we get Instagram. So using two square brackets, we can access two individual items in our matrix. We can also modify the values using this syntax. So say instead of Reddit, we want Uber. So companies inside the square brackets 2, add another square brackets and type 2 equals Uber. So let's print companies of 2, again add square brackets and 2. So there you go. So here we can also use nested loops to iterate over all the items in the matrix. For row in companies, in the next line, for company in row, print company. So let's run this program. And there you go. We get all the items in our list. So that is it for this tutorial. Please support my hard work by liking this video and sharing it with others. Also leave a comment letting me know what more do you want to learn in this intermediate series. Also subscribe to my channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you soon.